I'm starting out with a Halloween mask where I ripped apart all this crap that I didn't need and then spray painted it yellow so that I had a nice light colored base for my feathers. I grabbed the old box that was lying around and I'm going to use this panel to shape a nose piece. I really wanted to invoke fox on this look and a nose needed to happen. I'm using the vertical stripes from the cardboard and this crappy template that I wound up having to make adjustments on. Here was what I came up with, and now I'm going to affix it to the mask. Fun fact for you, the oldest mask was found in 7000 BC and was probably used for rituals. They think that mask making might date back earlier than that, but the materials used wouldn't hold up over that amount of time. My gun butt is using industrial grade hot glue, and I glued the tabs for the nose on top instead of underneath, so now I have to burn off my fingertips trying to smooth out that surface. I did not choose a fox on accident. In African masks, it's very common to use animals because it would help you commune with the nature spirits for survival and invoke protection. Masquerade masks, as we know them today, kind of became popular in the 14th and 15th century in Europe. They were used for public festivals and processions. Masquerade masks weren't really documented until Italy in the 15th century. They were made popular by the Venetian Carnival. After I've added the elastic bands, I'm starting to go through and add feathers. It's best to work from the outside inward. I did a little on one side and then I switched to the other to make sure that I kept my balance. One of Italy's biggest exports was fashion. So the masks traveled with the fashion trade and eventually wound up in London. There was some pushback because it was considered immoral because of the upper elites parties having a lot of adult happy fun time shenanigans. Children would result and the paternities would be uncertain because of the masks concealing the father's identity. I feel like that kind of serves you right though for having shenanigans orgy style. The stigma followed the masks and the fashion into the new world, aka America. So did Samhain traditions and the new converted Christians' version of All Hallows Eve. Tricksters would use the mask to conceal their identities during the trick part of trick-or-treat and Halloween, not just to hide themselves from evil spirits that roam the earth. I'd like to take this time to point out what a mess this was working with all these feathers. Don't be afraid to cut them or to shape them to fit the mask in different areas. You have to save the muzzle for last because that sticks out the most. And then I went back with glue and smoothed out the edges of the eye holes. I chose a fox because not only are they associated as tricksters, but they help teach us to swiftly go around obstacles. Parties seem to cause a lot of social anxiety in people, and it's really hard for them to move outside of their comfort zone. Fox will help invoke responsiveness and flexibility. Here I'm adding the applique onto the mask that really brings out the foxiness. And I've gone back through and added some gold trim to highlight the brow bone and the muzzle. There are some areas where the glue became slightly exposed, but I have a plan to cover those up. My favorite part is this heart gem I found for the nose. It's touches like these that make masks whimsical and endearing. These are some appliques I found in the scrapbooking section of the craft store. They already have some adhesive, and I think they're just going to be the right touch. But be careful not to do too much. Remember, less is more. This is almost my finished product, and I'm very happy with it. I think it is elegant and feminine and soft. My fox is supposed to be a flapper. I bought a retro dress to wear with this mask, so I'm adding a beautiful plume to really invoke the 1920s vibe. Please comment down below if there is something that you would have done differently, or if there are other masks you would like to see me make. I would also really appreciate it if you subscribed, so that way you can stay tuned for future projects that I'm working on and more history videos. I hope you guys found this entertaining and that you find inspiration to make your own beautiful works of art. Each day is a new opportunity to spread your joy. This is my finished product, so I invite you to take care and bye, witches.